Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to find the average rate of change of the function below over the interval from 2 to 3. And the function we're given is the function f of x, which is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x. Let's first factor this polynomial so that it's easier to evaluate. So f of x is equal to, if we factor out x, then this is equal to x times x squared minus 4x plus 3. In factoring x squared minus 4x plus 3, we get that this is equal to x times x minus 1 times x minus 3. Now, to find the average rate of change over this interval, we want to find the slope of the secant line passing through the points 2 f of 2 and 3 f of 3. We already know that the slope of the secant line, or average rate of change, is given by this formula. So the average rate of change is equal to delta y over delta x, which is just equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, we want to find the average rate of change between the 2 points, 2 f of 2 and 3 f of 3. And so the average rate of change in this case is therefore going to be equal to f of 3 minus f of 2 over 3 minus 2. And this is equal to 3 times 2 times 0 minus 2 times 1 times negative 1 all over 1, which is equal to just negative 2 times 1 times negative 1, which is just equal to 2. So therefore, the average rate of change is 2. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.